I enjoy speaking Welsh.
Dwi'n joio siarad Cymraeg.
Dwi'n joio siarad Cymraeg.
I must practice speaking more.
Mae rhaid I fi ymarfer siarad mwy.
Mae rhaid I fi
Give me a
ymarfer
pause
siarad
just there.
mwy.
Okay, so two things early doors. First up is all the signs are that you're completely fine. You're rocking along, your brain is fine with this. The second thing is that, oh my God, you hate making mistakes, don't you?
Yeah. Like
You really hate that. You want to hit something.
Just feel like a plum, yeah.
Yeah.
You know, it's just like...
You are going to get bored to tears with me telling you this because I'm going to have to keep on telling you this. That is the moment when you're learning. That's the good stuff. When you notice a difference, I don't want to call them mistakes, I want to call them a difference. Yeah, when you notice a difference,
Yeah.
the fact that your brain has noticed that difference is evidence that you've just got a little bit better. You've just learned something. So every single time you notice a difference, you should be thinking, yep, back of the net, that's the result. That's what we're looking for.
It's the ones that you can't get out, I can't get them out my mouth.
What is actually happening there is you say, I can't get them out of my mouth. And then you kind of tie that, you wrap a few things around that. I can't get out of my mouth because I'm not learning fast enough, or because I'm not good enough, or because I'm not trying hard enough, or because I haven't remembered well enough, right? And all of those are wrong. There's one reason you can't get it out of your mouth, and that's that the brain hasn't finished encoding it yet. It's as simple as that. So when you can't get something out, don't think, oh, I'm frustrated or I'm doing bad. Just cut your brain some slack. My brain hasn't finished encoding this yet. That's okay. Yeah. So you want to be trying to kind of witness your own progress instead of being judgmental about your own progress.
Right, so I'm meant to be hitting the brick wall.
If it's easy, it's not really helping you. Yeah. But what we need to be happening, and what you know you need to be stretching yourself. You need to be out of the comfort zone. You need to be into the difficult stuff. So you're doing fantastically. If we can add this understanding that every single moment of difference is a moment of learning, then you'll start to feel like a language superhero. You'll know in your heart that you can absolutely nail this. So you need to ditch this idea of, I'm just a Swansea lad who plays football and this is kind of academic stuff and I'm not so good at that stuff. Right? Your brain is in fine working condition. You're flying.
Okay.
And I enjoy trying to speak.
Ond dwi moyn...
A dwi'n joio
A
trio
dwi'n-
siarad.
A dwi'n joio
Differences.
trio siarad.
Differences.
And I enjoy trying to remember.